Hey there folks, last time we made a basic 2-point rectangle. It's this. This time I'm going to be showing you an alternative way to make a rectangle without a sketch. It's very easy. You just hit the create tab right here. Let me close this. You hit this create tab. You scroll down to box. You place what plane you want it on. I'm going to go with this bottom one again. And then you select how big you want it to be. So like I want it to be 2.5 tab by 1. And you do this, and it'll do the operation new body, and then you just select how large you want it to be. So like I want it to be 2 inches high, and I want to widen this out by another 1.5 inch instead of 1. And I want to make it this way by like 3.6 instead of 2. And you can do really whatever you want, and it's a lot quicker if all you need is a basic rectangle shape. So then you just hit OK, and it functions the same as a normal body. You can rename it, so like I want this to be rectangle. You can go in here and mess with stuff the same exact way. And then you just hit save. Easy rectangle. Then you just select your file like anything else, and this is a much easier way to make a basic rectangle.